Welcome to thermodynamics. Unfortunately, I was not able to have this class live, so I made this video to show you a couple things on Blackboard. The first thing that you want to know is your syllabus. So if you click on syllabus, it is going to be right here. So to view it, you click on the link and you will see a couple things here. So my name is Mustafa and my email address is in your syllabus. If you need anything, if you have any questions, please email me. I'm happy to set a time with you to meet. The second important thing is you need a textbook for this class. The textbook is Fundamentals of Engineering Thermodynamics. Students have told me in the past that you are able to find an electronic copy for free online, so please do that. I say here I require the 7th edition, but it does not matter what edition you use. Thermodynamics has not changed for a long time, so that doesn't matter. You could see here our class link. However, if you go to Blackboard, you could also see there's a Zoom link that you just have to click and you could use it that way. We have 2 exams, a midterm and a final, but I love giving quizzes. There's a quiz every Monday, so be ready. As a part of the class, there's a project. If you go to course content, you'll see that I posted a link to the project and what we're going to do. We're going to be teams of 4, so we will go into groups starting on Wednesday. Attendance is very important because without attendance, you cannot contribute to the class, and this class is very, very hard. So you all need to be there. Please review the code of conduct. And finally here you could see all the topics. Really, thermodynamics is the first and second laws, and there are applications to these laws. So that's exactly what we will be exploring during this course. Next, here's course content. So you could see here that we have a class 8:30, and I'm sure you have seen that before just because you are able to see this video. Finally, I mentioned Zoom link. You can see lecture Zoom link. That's where you have to click. Once you click there, you will see the date, and all you have to do is click start or join or anything that sounds like you could join the classroom with. I look forward to teaching you all. Good luck.